As organizations race to automate more and more tasks and processes, they're hitting a wall. Companies are too busy putting out fires and fixing bots they've already built, causing stalled automation pipelines and diminishing business value from their RPA initiatives. And that leads to one unfortunate reality: the inability to achieve the scale and return on investment they were promised. At Blueprint, that's why we created a business solution that enables business leaders and RPA programs to identify, design, and manage high-value automations with precision and ease. Blueprint's Enterprise Automation Suite enables the scale and greater returns RPA initiatives are searching for. Our solution delivers twice faster process design and bot development, 3 times less rework and bot outages, 30% lower bot maintenance costs, 80% cost reduction in digital workforce migration 3 times as fast, and 5 times the return on investment in less than 6 months. We're able to do this because our solution provides higher quality automations that require significantly less maintenance and experience dramatically fewer outages. Increased automation pipeline velocity because of the ease and precision with which automations are designed and delivered. Increased automation uptime and availability because of unparalleled change management and impact analysis to predict and proactively correct change. And finally, a much lower total cost of ownership for automation. This is all possible by developing what we call digital blueprints. Digital blueprints are purpose-built to express the flow and dependencies of the automated business process and completely replace the need for PDDs or other documents. It's these paper-based documents that lead to the missed requirements and low-quality automations that prevent scale and the substantial value capture RPA was sold on. And I'm going to show you exactly how Blueprint is purpose-built to accelerate scale and maximize return on investment. In this demo, we're going to import an existing automation from Automation Anywhere version 11 into Blueprint. Optimize that automation to make it more resilient for greater value capture, and then finally export it into Microsoft Power Automate. So starting off here in Automation Anywhere, we have an existing automation. In this case, it's a risk lookup process. Here's what it looks like in Automation Anywhere. It's very detailed code, like you can see things going on in Excel, some web application, etc. Looking at the entire process, if someone is migrating this automation but didn't create it, it's going to take a lot of effort to understand what the automation is doing. From this one example, if we were going to migrate this manually, we'd have to walk through this and try to reverse engineer this bot into a PDD so that we can accurately communicate it to our development team. Jumping into Blueprint, I'll show you the first step of how we would migrate it into our platform and convert it into a digital blueprint. So digital blueprints add value in 3 very key ways. So they're a visual representation of the process flow, so they aren't code like we just saw in Automation Anywhere. They support the tracing to enterprise dependencies like business rules, regulations, and controls, so they're interacting with your enterprise environment of business requirements. And they can provide the syntax of commands and parameters necessary to execute, and they do this in a way that's actually platform agnostic. For example, you can see that it's not just the process information in terms of the sequence of steps. There's also the underlying parameters for each step, like the AA code we just saw, and the parameters parsed in. So I've already imported the file, but it would be as easy as a few clicks of a button, and here it sits. Now, after importing, Blueprint parses all the information brought in and provides some key metrics to help you make decisions. For example, immediately I can see that I have 112 processes with aggregate stats below that. Citizen developers would use this dashboard to analyze the inventory. They could see the quality and complexity of each individual automation and even its relative usage. It's with this information that they can make informed decisions in prioritization for migration. One of the first things people normally do when importing a process is flip it into storyboard mode. Here we can visualize how this automation behaves to better understand it as we migrate that behavior to the target RPA platform. In this case, that will be Microsoft Power Automate. So here we can see that we're displaying some system feeds. We'll click on a link in the center, rendering a new screen, enter some data into the field, invoke a dropdown, pick a country, etc. Digital blueprints also provide the precision of commands and their parameters. Here, for example, if I pick the first step, Blueprint knows which application, which specific action, and even the parameters that went along with it. And that's true of every step here. Here we can see that getCells has been mapped into a read range action, opening up a web browser with the parameter for the URL. So this is also an editor. We can add new steps if we want to, like deleting the cell. Then I can just choose which application from an exhaustive inventory of application types I want to map into my new step. For this example, I'll just click Excel. And for each application, there is a broad inventory of the actions possible within that application. I'll delete cell and pick an entire column. Now, policies, regulations, rules, controls, they all exist in a large enterprise and need to be complied with, and they all change over time. Those creating the automations don't always know which apply. Blueprint provides intelligent recommendations that can help uncover applicable enterprise dependencies that could otherwise be missed. Now, with a click, these are all permanently traced to this particular process to avoid future outages and increase uptime. Blueprint also enables those who will implement these automations through a number of ways in order to vastly increase pipe velocity. First, it does this by transforming the digital blueprint into a backlog of agile user stories. Then we can automatically synchronize that with Jira to drive an agile development cycle. After generating the stories, you can pick any one of them and see what they look like. A well-formed user story with acceptance criteria in a given when then format. And that's rendered also into a feature file or a gherkin that can drive test automation, including the visuals for before and after that user story. And this is one of a backlog of many user stories that we just generated that are synchronized in real time to Jira to drive faster and higher quality development with more precision. Blueprint also automatically transforms the digital blueprint into a complete set of functional tests. Once generated, this is what the test looks like. This is the complete set of functional tests describing the inputs and the expected outcomes, with scenarios covering every possible path through that process, providing 100% test coverage. Finally, we're able to export this entire digital blueprint with contextual information over to a destination platform, in this case, Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. Once we export it, this will appear in the Power Automate Desktop area, where you can edit the process by invoking the Power Automate Desktop application. So here's the process sent over to Power Automate, along with variables ready for an RPA developer to finish it off, test, and deploy it. Finally, back in Blueprint, this is a dashboard our clients use to proactively manage change and maximize RPA uptime and also ensure compliance over time. There's a list of notifications of changes that recently occurred inside of our instance. We can filter those notifications based on the type of change. So we'll filter based on regulatory changes, for example, and then further filter down based on severity. We only care about those that have the highest importance, at least for right now. Here we can see that a regulation has been changed. By clicking it, we instantly see an impact analysis, and that a change to that specific section of the regulation is potentially going to impact 6 of the 112 automations we have in our inventory, including the process we've just been dealing with. At this point, we can issue an instant alert to the owners of these bots, asking them to take action to avoid costly outages, which reinforce uptime for greater value capture. So, in summary, Blueprint's Enterprise Automation Suite enables the scale and greater returns RPA initiatives are searching for because their solution delivers twice faster process design and bot development, 3 times less rework and bot outages, 30% lower bot maintenance costs, 80% cost reduction in digital workforce migration, 3 times as fast, and 5 times the return on investment in less than 6 months. We're able to do this because our solution produces higher quality automations that require significantly less maintenance and experience dramatically fewer outages. Increased automation pipeline velocity because of the precision and ease with which automations are designed and delivered. Increased automation uptime and availability because of unparalleled change management and impact analysis to predict and proactively correct change. And finally, a much, much lower total cost of ownership for automation.